Today, we are diving into a battle of all-season performance, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 versus the Pirelli Cinturato all-season SF3. One's a seasoned veteran, launched in 2018, the other is a fresh face, debuting in 2024 with the latest technology. Let's see which tires dominates the all-season segment. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet braking, the Pirelli Cinturato SF3 stops 0.5 meters shorter than the Hankook Kinergy 4S2, showcasing its edge in braking performance. But the Kinergy 4S2 fights back in wet handling, maintaining an average lap speed 1 km per hour faster. When it comes to aquaplaning resistance, the SF3 takes the lead, holding steady at 75.4 km per hour compared to Kinergy's 74.1 km per hour. In snow braking, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 shines, stopping 1.5 meters shorter than the Pirelli SF3. SF3 counters with stronger snow traction, generating 101 Newton more pulling force. Snow handling sees another close contest, but the Kinergy edges ahead with an average speed 0.4 km faster than the SF3. Switching to dry roads, the Pirelli SF3 excels in dry braking, stopping a significant 2.6 meters shorter than the Kinergy 4S2. Dry handling remains a dead heat, with Kinergy maintaining a marginal 0.5 km per hour speed advantage on an average lap. For noise levels, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 provides a quieter ride, producing 0.9 dB less exterior noise compared to the Pirelli SF3. Finally, in rolling resistance, the Pirelli Cinturato SF3 takes the crown, measuring a coefficient value rating of 1.53 lower than the Hankook Kinergy 4S2, ensuring better fuel efficiency. In summary, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 impresses with its superior snow braking and snow handling capabilities, along with a quieter ride. On the other hand, the Pirelli Cinturato all-season SF3 delivers better rolling resistance, dry braking, and snow traction.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.